This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the Pottstown Classics Car Club. The first cruise of the season, watching some good stuff coming in. This is a nice show because it brings in a lot of variation. Now what's cool is that this is the first time it is over here. It's actually on the parking lot of a mall. Couple nice little dubs. Dodge Viper. What's a show without a Viper or two? Power steering by Armstrong. Trying to situate over there. That's a GTS, by the way, folks. Nice little Falcon. Little 56. Two-door hardtop. Oh, that sounded good driving off. Nice little Falcon automatic. Dodge Diplomat. You'll see a lot more, don't worry about it. We'll cover, because you know, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com and we cover so much. It's great. Little 360 under the hood. Well, it's cool. I can't get to every show, unfortunately so, because right at this point we have over 300 shows that people like yourself have listed on Northeast Wheels Events. This is a 65 911. Very, very early car. 67 Mustang. What's good is that you post directly onto the site northeastwheelsevents.com. That's the Mustang. It's got aftermarket seats. I like this Porsche because she is so bone stock original. Gorgeous. Well driven and well loved. Oh, there's Fido, by the way. People always ask, what do you drive? That's Fido, little Sentra.
She'll call. She's ready. Oh, here they
Take
come.
a look at this Anglia. Oh, here we go. Got some nice stuff rolling in. Pick up on that Anglia. Don't get annoyed. Don't get annoyed. Let's see this Ford.
Hey, Johnny, you want to put some over here?
Little Willys. Nova in back. Hard-working volunteers. Without volunteers, folks, we don't have anything. Thank you very much.
You want to be next to him or you want to go over there? Okay. All right.
What a pretty little Ford truck. What's interesting is that earlier today, of course, I did a walkabout of a Rambler American, 1960 Rambler American station wagon, remarking about America and small cars. America has always had small cars, but they never really caught on. Boy, that sounds good, that Nova. It's a beast in the back. Alright folks, I told you we'll check out that Anglia, so let's check out that Anglia. Show you what's up and down the row. Little Kragers. And now this is Ford Anglia, of course, from England. We never got them over here per se, but they were favorites of the hot rod crowd because they're so small. This is a 59. Actually, it's listed as a Ford Thames. Just to reiterate, I just want to pick up on this 911. So this way you guys will see. I want to show you, this car is just so well loved and used. And I really appreciate when the cars are actually driven. Yeah, it's just a nice car. Let's end it over here. For more cool events like this, make sure you check northeastwheelsevents.com, southeastwheelsevents.com, ukwheelsevents.com, and while you're at it, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.